Hi, Mike here doing a review on the Wiha 26-in-1 screwdriver. Now this is classed as a 26-in-1 screwdriver as it comes with 13 double-ended bits, which 12 are stored in a spring-loaded magazine, which can also be rotated, and they are stored in there nice and tight. They're not going to fall anywhere or fall out when you open it up. And then one is stored in the end of the screwdriver. Now the thing I like most about this screwdriver is the fact that when I'm using bit screwdrivers, I tend to find I'll tighten something up or whatever, and as I pull it out, the bit stays in the fastener. Now this screwdriver gets around this with the bits are all locked in place till you release this little locking collar. And then this locking collar also is very useful because you can hold it and spin the drive around just to drive your fasteners in a bit quicker. But the thing I really like with this nice slim shaft, because a lot of other companies offer these bit drives with like fixed in holding mechanisms and that, but this one is very slim. A lot of other companies' ones are big and chunky, and once you got your bit in there, sometimes you just can't get your screwdriver where you need it to past all of this. As with this is a lot slimmer and does offer really good retention. Now the handle is a bit fatter than a standard Wiha screwdriver, but it's got all the bits in here, but it does have the same features, the anti-roll features and stuff like that. But it is a brilliant screwdriver for the money, and keep it in your pocket, can save you a return to the van or for the odd bits. I don't really use torque fasteners a lot, so I'm not going to carry a full set, but I've got them if I need them. It's got a square drive in it, which again I've never used, but it's better to have one and not need it than not have one at all, and this does pack a lot of stuff, and it is relatively light as well. But that's it guys, that's a Wiha 26-in-1 screwdriver. Thanks for watching.